Welcome back to Dark Souls 2. And today we'll be taking down the infamous Smelter Beitch. You also see them doing these one-handers, these big ass swords. These are what we call ice cream. I have an ice cream class shit catnip. Come with me. Crunch. Every time tonight. Oh, see I go. Yo, I just had some hot Funyuns. Yo, my breath is hot as hell, but it would be delicious. You know what, fuck, bruh, yo, chill. What? Don't move a muscle. Bro, I'm gonna chill. Get off the edge. Get off the edge, sir. Off the edge. Excuse me. I don't got time for none of y'all shit. Hey, shit. Why you saying me, Sonny? Old man McGinnon's in this house. I don't think no shit, no little kid. Why you saying me? You better get your ass out my face. Well, I'll beat your ass. Who are you? What? You want some dick? Oh, damn. This fun yen will bless your soul. Why are you saying me, Sonny boy? No, I got any buff. I got no buff. Oh, the Ebola! I'm going, what the fuck? You gonna spin around like that? You don't do that shit until, look until, but ask kindly you do not get shit up on. Fire! Look at you got squashed! Yeah, follow down, you got to get off from hot. Look at here! What are you doing? Okay. Smelt the demon, you will smelt. Nope. Gotta get the hell away from me. What's up, dude? I look at you. Fuck up my way, look at you. You got me fucked up. I'm gonna fuck this guy. Fuck you. Oh, back out. Back up. Before you get smacked up, get back, you don't know me like that. Fuck about to say it's like whacker, I'm like that. Scrub a bit. Bro, Sonny, what the fuck? Okay, some tip. Oh, yeah, handful of tip. No. What the? Damn it. I swear to God, if I had died right there, I would have fucking raged. It would have been the end of the episode. I swear, man, I hate walls in this game. You hit them shit. Why is that a thing? Yo. No hesitation. Alright. 1v1 me. Square up. What the? I fucking hate this boss. Boss ain't shit, I swear. I looked down for 1 second to get some Funyuns. I try to get some Funyuns. Yo, bitch, I have a Funyun on my foot. What? Hold up. And you all ran my Funyun parade. What? Can I look at myself? Come here. Both of them. Alright, we'll start this shit. The tracking in this game is fucking ridiculous. Looking like y'all record play. And the hitboxes. Don't get me started with the hitboxes. Bruh, hitboxes crazy. Like, it's so simple. to get a little bit of hit detection. Ain't that hard. I even messed up on a hitbox though. Explain yourself, From Software. Explain yourself. You got this new ass developer. Make your booty ass bosses and shit. Like, don't act like this boss ain't like the Pursuer. Guy bigger than me, with a big sword, with a simple 3-hit move set that is very easy to dodge. No, hitboxes up, yo. So you can't parry this guy. Because believe me, if I can parry this guy, do not act like I fucking wouldn't. Now I'm gonna beat that ass after I get this buff. You think you that big shit all of a sudden because you got a big sword. But you know what? I'm gonna take you down because you are shit. Niggas talking shit gonna get hit. It's a video game, but it ain't 8-bit. Per second because I know I'm gonna hit it. Hey, you got shut down. Hey, we got job. Get it, yeah, get it. Hey, yeah, get it. Yeah, get it. Get it. Yeah, get it. We fucked this mountain up because we shut them down. Why you know why? Cause it found up down. Hey, yeah, yeah. All these bitches say can suck my dick. 16 bitches, why can suck my dick? Come here, young blood. You forgot what I could do. Yeah. If you get hit by that attack, you're a bomb. Oh, what the fuck? Oh my god, what? That was so fast. What in the world? Bruh, nah. Round 2, motherfucker. Fuck this fancy ish. Take it to the head. Yeah. Don't let go of that. You gotta take it to the head. Oh, yo, son, what the fuck? Fuck, man. I ain't in this episode till I beat him. I'm gonna do all that. It could be a 2-hour video. I'm gonna beat his ass. But I think you just mad. El Fugazi. See, now he ain't shit 'cause I'm dodging. I'm gonna drink right in your face. Honey, what I tell you? Popeyes will bless your soul. Oh, that just ain't shit. Wait, hold up. What was that? Hey, stay out this. I said stay out this. You want this work? You want some? Don't get this. Don't get this. Bitch ass. Parry game too strong. You know what? I'll catch y'all in these streets. My name